Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are quite different from white diamonds. They're rare, opaque, and often confused with other black stones like spinel, hematite, or synthetic imitations. At home, you can't get 100% certainty without lab tests, but there are several practical methods to check if your black diamond is real or fake. Here's a step-by-step guide you can use. Number 1. Visual inspection. Surface texture. Real carbonado often looks grainy or porous, unlike smooth black glass or onyx. Shine. Black diamonds have a metallic to submetallic luster, not a glassy one. Transparency. They are completely opaque, even under strong light. Number 2. Weight test. Heft. Diamonds are dense, about 3.5 grams per centimeter first. If you have another gemstone of similar size, like quartz or glass, compare the weight in your hand. A real carbonado will feel heavier. Number 3. Scratch test on glass. Diamonds are the hardest natural material, Mohs hardness 10. Carefully scratch a piece of glass with the stone. If it scratches glass easily, it could be a diamond. If it doesn't scratch or the stone itself gets scratched, it's not a diamond. Do this gently, since real diamonds may still chip. Number 4. Heat resistance test. Hold the stone with tweezers and heat it with a lighter for about 30 to 40 seconds, then drop it into cold water. A real diamond will stay intact, while glass or fake stones often crack due to thermal shock. Be careful. Test outside or over a safe surface. Number 5. Magnification test, 10 ice loupe or magnifying glass. Real carbonado diamonds often show tiny natural inclusions, pores, or irregular grainy patterns. Fake black stones usually look smooth and flawless. Number 6. UV light test. Many carbonados show no fluorescence under UV light, unlike some synthetic black diamonds. If it glows brightly, it may be lab-made or treated. Number 7. Fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone to fog it up. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly, 1-2 seconds. Fake stones, glass, quartz, stay foggy for longer, 5 to 10 seconds. Number 8. Electrical conductivity test. Unlike white diamonds, black diamonds conduct electricity due to their graphite content. If you have access to a diamond tester, check. If it conducts electricity, likely real carbonado. If not, could be a fake or different stone. Tip: use several methods together for better accuracy. Avoid relying on just one test, since some fakes can pass a single test.